COVID-19 has put a temporary halt to a seasonal favorite. For the first time in 38 years, there will be no holiday house tour organized by the Junior League of Hamilton Burlington. Iris Hughes from the league joins us now with how they're adapting. Good morning, Iris.
Good morning, Annette. How are you?
I'm doing well. I haven't seen you, I think, since last year's house tour. I miss you.
I know. We miss you too. We miss everybody that's on the team. I mean, it was a fantastic team, and we worked hard. And Diane Brown and myself, really, this was our busiest time, and the weather could not have been better had the house tour been on at the moment.
Right, but the pandemic had other plans. So now you, as with so many organizations, have had to kind of adapt to that. And tell us how, instead of no tour this year, but what are you doing to raise money? Because that money that comes from the house tour is so important.
It is very important, and the league is in desperation right now, and viability, because we rely on that money from the house tours. But we were thinking what ladies would like to do, and we have teamed up with a 13th Street winery in St. Catharines, and you can go online or order from the winery as long as you use the code Holiday House Tour 2020, HHT Tour 2020, and you will get, we will get a slight discount on all orders put through the winery. The winery, if nobody's been there, is so cute. It's such an excellent place to go and visit. When the weather's nice, you can sit outside, but everything is sanitized and well spaced out, so nobody has to fear. They have a beautiful bake shop, fantastic butter tarts.
Their butter tarts are so good.
Butter tarts, fantastic butter tarts, worth the wait. I lined up an hour for butter tarts, and a gift shop. And so we are teaming with them, and hopefully a lot of our ladies, patrons that could not go to the house tour could maybe connect and go out there and buy some wine with our code Holiday House Tour 2020, and that will sponsor us and get us through to 2021's house tour.
Right, and if you don't feel comfortable going out, they do have shopping online, and you can use the code there, which is very good.
You shop online, yeah. You shop online and use the house tour too. Any orders of $75 or over, there's no charge for delivery.
Mm-hmm. So tell me about where the money goes for, like from the house tour, what it helps to fund. We've got about a minute left.
Okay. Well, it's for leadership training, and also we have bursaries where we take up with young people to put them through college or something like that. But it's also the training of young ladies or anybody that wants to come into the league that's not used to all kinds of different things. So it's we're teaming up this year with a lot of different groups too that are also in trouble. Right.
So it's like the community helping each other, and fingers crossed that there's a house tour next year, right? Because I know a lot of people are going to miss it.
We're hoping, mark your calendars for November 12th to the 14th, 2021.
Okay.
And keep everybody safe.
Iris, great to talk to you again. We'll get that board up. So they have partnered with 13th Street Winery. Use the, you can shop online. Just make sure that you use the code HH Tour 2020.
And there is, sorry, Annette, there is our sponsors and decorators have donated many prizes, and your name, when you place the order, your name will go in a ballot. And at the end of November, we will decide who will get. They're absolutely amazing what our decorators have come up with, more than we ever expected.
Awesome. Good to hear that. Iris, look forward to seeing you soon in person.
And you too, Annette. Take care.